Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for the intraday for the metals, of course, the gold, silver and the palladium. We're gonna see what happened. Of course, we saw this drop as a confirmation for a potential triangle still unfolding as expected. Of course, today we're still looking for a little bit lower for a triangle A, B, C, D, and E, potentially in a wave for unfinished, where we might start to see, of course, something pushing for higher still for a wave 5. What I'm very sure still that we still have, of course, one push here toward the upside for the metals, whether gold, silver, or palladium. But still need a kind of like a range here to finish up this correction, especially, of course, after clear 3 waves here. We see, of course, a drop. Now, it can be, of course, a bigger ABC. Well, it doesn't, don't forget, of course, that we have also a potential wave 4 in the blue box here, which it is the wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, right? So if this is gonna happen as, of course, an impulse, meaning, of course, it's a zigzag there, looking for the wave 4 in between the perfect blue box, and then, of course, pushing for higher again for a wave 5. But don't forget, guys, I will always remind you with this, always, in every single, until, of course, you get sick of it. We gonna reverse there. We will not really seek for something very, very massive for the gold. Forget about it. I'm sorry, guys. I have to be honest. And that because I see it already from a very, very extended wave 3. Definitely you're gonna get a short wave 5. And after a deep wave 4, which it should be. And this wave 5 is very clear zigzags. All right, so we simply gonna finish this final zigzag and we simply drop down. Okay, so I'm gonna repeat this every time for the gold, just to not tell me, KG, you for or you, I missed this one. So yeah, so and in every single video I mention it. So in the silver for the intraday as well, we are looking at our expanding diagonal as a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. This wave 5 is still looking probably for one more high here, where it might be, of course, several 1, 2s, 3, 4, 5, 4, and a 5. In case that we're looking here for a potential wave 1, 2 here, don't forget, of course, we are looking for this potential wave 5 to extend still, meaning having like a 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, and a 5 probably, and then pushing also for lower. Okay, of course the things can extend to the extension here, wave 5 for the silver, can be, why not? And then, of course, hitting this. Now the confluence area between most of the scenarios is here between $60 and 61. If I'm trading silver, I would be enough with the $60, honestly. Very nice psychological number for the silver, never hit before, and we're already in the all-time history here. So yeah, I think we might still see, of course, one more high, and then we drop down for wave 4, because we are still, of course, not done yet. You're still in a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Probably for the next push, which is gonna take a while, guys, until, of course, the new year, maybe a few months, and then we see something pushing for higher probably. For the palladium, in palladium, we are looking also at the 1-hour chart here. Palladium, of course, was still here in a potential triangle in the daily, if you remember. But I mentioned in the daily, it didn't took really the high, as you can see before. That was the daily here. We had a gap until we take it a few hours ago. We took the invalidation of triangle, which is nice. And that means, of course, something for higher can be unfolding here, whether you are in a diagonal, somehow like that. So the triangle has transformed to diagonal. Or you are simply in a deeper correction here, which it might be the A, the B, and the C, because this is a potential finished impulse. We might be in ABC, finished 3 waves after an impulse also probably there, 3 waves, and then we push down. If this is gonna be the case, well, okay, how we get confirmation for this? Okay, your key level is over there, okay? This is confirmation for lower prices. All right, that means we drop towards here. But if the price will continue right now as a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, your wave 4 as a diagonal here might be the following. Wave 4 as diagonal, you might like to see a signal of strength starting from this blue box. Okay, and then the target might be of course we need the low first to get a precise target, but might be around there. Okay, we can readjust later on, but probably might be over there, taking the high a little bit here. Maybe it's gonna be something much bigger, meaning the price might hit the 1-to-1 1547. This is your signal that a bullish scenario here in several 1-2s is unfolding, and not just simply a diagonal. It might continue for a wave 3. Signal 1547. Yep, so that was it for the Palladium and for the metals, gold, silver, and Palladium. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.